Hello everyone, welcome to my channel AnkeeCodeverse. Get ready for chapter 5 where we will build a SwiftUI home page. But before we jump in, don't forget to subscribe. So let's start. First thing, let's create a SwiftUI view file named home list view. Build the view structure and to enhance your coding experience. Click on the right corner to add the canvas and remove the minimap. Next, remove the text and add v-strike and create top header design. The first button is for navigation or going back. It has a circular background with the specific color. We need to set the width and height of the circle to 35 points each. Inside the circle, there is an arrow.left system image in white color. The button has padding to provide some space around the content. Next is cart button. The second button is for the some action related to the shopping cart. It has an image followed by the circular background with a person crop system image in white color. Cart represent adding some items to a cart and accessing a shopping cart. The third button is for accessing the user profile. This button represents user account related functionality. In short, abstract create a horizontal arrangement of three buttons, a back button, a card button, and profile button. Each button has its own styling, circular background, and icon that signifies its purpose. The spacer is used to distribute the button with space in between. We stack start with the title of ice cream using text with the large font size and bold weight. Below the title, there is a subtitle. Just make it a beloved treat worldwide using another text with the gray background color. Next, creating the search bar. An asterisk is used to horizontally arrange elements within the vertical stack. The search bar includes a text field with the place text, what would you like to try, and a binding with the search property. At the image, you can choose add from the asset, go to the plus right corner and select any assets and system image from here. Add the foreground color with the gray. Padding is applied to search bar both vertically and horizontally. You can add right to left image. Background of the search bar is set to color defined by the name of busy color. Clip the shape with the capsule. Additional padding is applied for the leading, trailing, and top edges of the search bar. Next, we will going to create list view. First, navigation view. The outermost container is a navigation view. Navigation view is used to manage the navigation hierarchy of the app. The first step is we are going to create a product structure. It has the following properties. ID, a unique identifier generated using UUID string type. Next is name. A string represents the name of the ice cream. Next is asset. A string represents the name of the assets. Price. Price string represents the price of the ice cream. Create a image variable that is computer property, the type of image that generate an image instance using the provide assets name. Create a product array initialization. An array named product is defined containing instance of the product structure. Each elements of the array represent a different ice cream product with the unique name, unique asset name, and price. Now going to the list view, inside the navigation view there is a list that iterates through the product array using for each. For each product, a button created to handle the tap action. The content of each row is provided by the product. Now we are going to create a product row view. So go to the file and select the SwiftUI view and add the product row view name. Firstly, we are going to create a property of type product that hold the information about the specific product. Image size, a constant representing the size of product image, set the value of 50. A just tag is used to overlay different views. The background is a colored rectangle created with the color and set to a fixed size of 100 by 100. The product image is displayed on the top of the background. It is resizable, scaled to fill the frame and clipped on maintain its aspect ratio. Next, we create to add a product detail. A V-stack is used for vertically stacking the product name and price. The product name is displayed using the text view with the heading, font, black color, and dynamic width. The product price is displayed using another text view with black color and dynamic width. Next, we're going to create cart button. A button with the circular background represent the cart icon. The cart icon is an image with the system symbol cart and is styled with the white color and specific font size. There is some additional layout and styling. The entire row is framed to have a dynamic width with the left element. The background of the row is the set of white. The row has rounded corner with the corner radius of 10 applied to all corner. A shadow effect to added with the color defined by the name VG color and a radius of 10. Move to back and add the product row view. Now we need to customize the some row features. List row inset. Set the padding around the content of each rows. List row background. Set the background color of each row to a rounded rectangle with a corner radius of 10 and a white color. List row separation. Hide the separation lines between the rows. So now going to the list styling. Scroll content background. Hide the scroll view content background and set the overall background color to the list of white. I think I made a mistake of brackets in my code, so identify and fix that issue. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for our next video and don't forget to like, share, subscribe.